guys, Tolerant here. I've been seeing that Madman's been keeping up with the actual gameplay over on Twitch, which has been pretty cool. Twitch.tv/TheTolerantMadman. Real cool stuff going on over there. And he's also going to be starting tomorrow releasing Division 2 content. So that's going to be fun. But today, you may notice a new set piece. That's my new microwave. And this is our first subject. Actually, no, the egg's going to be the finale. The first one is this, like not tinfoil, like saran. I don't know what this is. Not saran. It has a special name. But foil wrapped bolognese cube. The second, its leading performance is this battery, and then the egg. What?
I was expecting it to fall again.
So, and partway through the video, we're gonna have an update on the ice, on the rock candy. It's mostly ice. So first off, our bolognese cube, right there. And we'll do power. Power at 10. We'll start at a minute.
Why don't we use that microwave?
Why? What's happening?
It was flickering.
What happened, Cameron?
There was a light. It was flashing.
Is it really?
I don't know if you can see it on camera.
I don't know if I can see it in person.
I mean, it flashed twice and then it stopped.
Okay, well, that's pretty cool. The reason we're not using this one is because we're going to blow it up.
Yeah, but our other one's like worse.
No, it's not. How's it worse?
That's so fancy.
It's just because it's red doesn't mean it's fancy.
No, I mean all the buttons.
I'll buy us a new microwave. We got this one for a deal.
And the light works in it.
Yeah. Let's see what...
Oh. We're still rolling.
Interesting.
Uses too much power, or did someone turn something off?
We'll be right back.
Can we pause it?
Yeah, go ahead. Did it do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was ridiculous. We turned off the power, because as it turns out, Laura was using the microwave in the actual house. This is probably bad.
It didn't do much.
Yeah. That's a shame. Let's blow up a battery. This is our state-of-the-art testing cup. I'm gonna stand over here behind the cameraman. Actually, let's look at the rock candy thing. It explodes behind me. Who cares? All right. Actually, I'll just sit behind it. Or stand behind it. All right. This has been sitting out here for a very long time. So I'm just trying to break up the surface so that hopefully we pull out a completed thing of rock candy. Okay, yeah, that's just as disappointing as I thought. Still nothing. We'll leave it out here for a couple of years. Then it should be more edible? Question mark? Who knows? This is starting to piss me off. There we go. That's a shame. You hate to see that kind of thing. Okay. Don't breathe. Okay, so I don't know. Let's let it finish a 25-second cycle, and I'll open this up. I don't like touching that with my hands. Can you see the microwave and everything like that? Okay. We got big plans for this microwave. Hopefully it doesn't blow up in the first episode. You can just feel the anticipation. Ooh. What happened to it? Very disappointing. I'm gonna put the cap on what that probably is a bomb. Sometimes batteries are prone to exploding. I'm gonna put this egg in the bottom of this glass. Little known fact, they explode. So, cameraman and I are going to stand behind the microwave.
This would be in front, that's behind.
Yeah, I'm behind it. Hey, cameraman, for your safety, you might want to shield yourself with something. Because it's going to blow up, and it's going to usually blow up like an egg, exploding. But there's a good chance inside the mug, it'll turn it into clay explosives. So we're sitting behind stuff. Can the camera hear me well?
I don't know.
Probably. How much time's left? No,
35.
On the microwave.
35.
Oh, okay.
We got 40 minutes left. Oh.
Tolerant is back here. I hear something moving inside the microwave. Safe to assume it's the egg? There it went!
Huh.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Can they see the destruction?
A bit.
Wow. Damn it. Well, I guess that's how you don't cook scrambled eggs. That's a lot of destruction. I like it though. Okay, how long is the video so far?
8 minutes.
8 minutes?
Almost 9.
That sounds like another part for me. We're going to try to limit the amount of metal we put in it because that could actually fry the microwave. The battery was enough for the first episode.
I want to get an Oops All Berry.
Y'all remember these, right? Fired and Ice?
Do those... Do jelly beans expire?
Yeah, I'm not going to eat them.
That's
Fired and Ice,
probably
boys?
disgusting.
They smell like ass.
What you mean to say they smell like jelly beans?
Yep, some jelly beans in there. We'll scoop up a little bit of egg, some garnish.
That's just gonna melt them. They're just gonna melt.
We got this, boys. Let's get this Dubsky. Now these ones I'm not scared of.
Yeah, they're just gonna melt. I don't know why you thought this would be good.
This will be great.
You're just gonna have molten jelly bean. You're also standing in the light.
No, I'm not. This is a good time to talk about some stuff the show is going to go through. We are going to be doing a lot of stuff with this microwave that I acquired. So that's going to be a staple for many weeks to come. After that, I don't know, like science experiments, cool stuff. Definitely worth subscribing, liking the video, and coming back for more tutorials on how to use microwaves. Let's take a look at it now. It's cooking the egg, that's good. It smells so bad. Alright, that's a bust.
I'm Captain Obvious.
Okay, that's a good first episode. We will be returning, and Tolerant will show you some more how to use a microwave. Make sure you like and subscribe and come back for more. Stay safe out there.